Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to discuss all about Java variable. What all those Java variable we have in the Java, right? So guys, I'll explain one by one what is variable, what is all the types of variable corresponding. I will explain code base as well. So how this all the variable we are going to use in our code. So guys, without any further delay, let's start. So let's see, I have already one file about the Java variable, right? So guys, first I will explain what is Java variable we have. Yes. So guys, see, first we need to know what is variable, what is exactly the works of the variable, what it does, right? So let's see in simple term, right? If you want to know what is variable, first we understand variable is a container, guy. What variable is a container which holds the value when we execute our Java program. Right? A variable is assigned with some data types. So variable is a name of memory location. You can say in other words, guys. So just like an example, you can see here int value equal to 100. So guys, value is the name of our variable and type of which type of variable we can assign here. So integer type. That's we're going to assign int value equal to 100. 100 is the value, right? 100 is the value, that value is holding in the location of value name, right? So that value is the variable and type of int, correct? That is simple definition of variable. So we can say variable is a container which holds the value, right, when we execute any our Java program, correct? I hope you understood. So then we need to understand how many types of variable in Java. Correct guys? So guys, we have three variables: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. So guys, all these three variables we will discuss one by one. What is local variable, then what it does, same what is instance variable, and what is static variable. So guys, let's see what all those three variables, guys. So let's see first local variable, right? So a variable which is declared inside the body of the method or method parameter. Both the things we can assign get. So a variable which is declared inside the body of the method. Okay, we have method inside the body of the method. We can assign this local variable, right? Or method parameter. When you're going to write some method, right? So inside parameter also we can pass the this variable guy. So in two ways. So inside the body of the method, first thing, and method parameter. What variable we are going to assign? That is called local variable. Just like you can see here syntax. So guys, suppose if you take here, go ahead display as a method. So this is a parameter guy, right? This is a parameter. So int x. So this int x guy, it also we can say this is a local variable. Why? We are going to pass this variable inside our parameter. Correct? In and second guy, int a. So inside this method body, right? Already I mentioned here, the variable which is declared inside the body of the method. See, this is the body of this boy display method. So we can pass it int a. So also we can say guy, this is local variable. Just keep in mind guy, in simple terms, a variable which is declared what inside the body of the method or method parameter is called what local variable. Correct guys? I have you understood with syntax base also. Already I mentioned here syntax. If you forget this thing, you can remember the syntax. Okay, guys. Then next, secondly, instance variable. So guys, a variable which is declared inside the class. The variable which is declared inside the class but outside of the method is called what? Instance variable. Just like you can see here, syntax by what I have told, outside of the body, outside of the method. This is a main method, public static void main. This is a main method, but inside the class, you can see here int x. So this variable we are assigning inside the class. You can see here inside the class, but outside of the method. This int x defined outside of the method, but inside the class. Such type of variable we can say what? Instance variable in Java. Okay? I hope you understood. Then guys, next variable. What is a static variable? What is static variable guys? So a variable which is declared with the help of a static keyword. This is guys a static keyword, right? The variable which is declared with the help of a static keyword in anywhere of your program called a static variable guys. You can see this is a syntax of a static variable. So a static int x. X is a variable name, int is the type of the variable, and static is a keyword. So that guy we can say this is a static variable. The variable which is what declared with the help of a static keyword. Okay, that thing we have theoretically. So guys, all the things what I explain here, same thing I will write the code. Then you will come to know how all this variable we can use in our Java code guys. So guys, that purpose we can open our ID. Okay. So guys, all the things what I'm going to explain, that is Java variable only. So I will create one package guys. I will create one package. See, so package name guy, I can write what com.app.java manage our what channel name dot what Java variable. Okay, okay. com.app.java variable. Okay. I have created one package. In this package guy will create some program. Okay, where I will create one class. Okay, the class name guy Java variable, types of Java variable, Java class name, types of Java variable, need one main method. Right? See, so we got one method along with our class. Correct guys? Okay. So guys, see, I will explain one by one what I have told in our what this file, right? So I have explained local variable, instance variable, and static. So one by one I will explain what is what local variable, what is our instance variable, what is a static variable. So guys, see, first I will create one word local variable. Okay, so guys, what local variable? I will explain inside the method or outside of the class. What I explain guys, local variable every which is declared inside of the body of the method, right? What are defined? A variable which is declared inside of the body of the method or method parameter is called local variable. Correct? So guys, see, this is our method, right? This is our method. Inside the method or what? With parameter also. In two ways we can declare our local variable. So guys, int x, x guys equals to suppose 10 I have declared here, right? So guys, what I have told, the variable which is declared inside the body of the method, right? Or method parameter, right? So this thing I have declared inside the method. Okay, that's why it also I can comment here that is get local variable, right? Is local variable. But simple guy, you just keep in mind the variable which is declared inside the method of the body or method parameter. Correct guys? So as of now I am declaring inside the method, right? Correct. So this is called our local variable. Just keep in mind, don't confuse here because most of the candidates confuse. Okay, what is local variable, what is static variable, what is instance variable. So just keep in mind the variable which is declared inside the method body or method parameter. That two things what in that this is two approach to create a local variable. Okay. Then guys, second, what is what? A static variable. How are you going to create a static variable or instance variable? So I will explain first, second, instance variable. So So instance variable guys, one more time I will go this place. So you can see instance variable, a variable which is declared inside the class, but outside of the method. Just keep in mind guys, just see here, inside the class but outside of the method. So this method started guys this place and end this. So out of this part we can create our instance variable, right guys? I'm creating here what, int, what, int y equals to what, y equals to 20. I have created this instance variable as per our definition, right? As per our definition. So guys, this is called what, instance variable, right? Instance variable, right? So inside the class but outside of the method, right? Yes or no guys? Right. So this thing we have created instance variable. Then guys, third is what, a static variable. So guys, what I mentioned, if you are going to create variable with the help of a static keyword, right? This is guys a static keyword, a static int z equals to 30. In anywhere in your program, you can assign this static variable. So what I mentioned guys, a static int z equal to 30, that is guys a static variable. I hope you understood guys, correct? This thing I have done, great. Now guys, we need to print this three result. We need to print this three result. What, local variable, right? Then guys instance variable, then static variable. So guys, how we are going to print? So that if you want to print this result, definitely you can what, write the print statement, correct guys? Yes or no? Correct. So guys, see, if you want to call the what, local variable, if you want to call the local variable guy, so what you can do? So guys, directly you can print a statement guy like that, right? So sys out, right, and you can print this variable guy x, correct guy? I hope you understood. You don't have any confusion, correct guy? You should not have any confusion. If you want to print the local variable, directly you can print what, system.out.println x. So whatever the value of x contain, it will print, correct guy? No, that is get way of the printing local variable. Also I can mention here local variable, correct guy? No, copy guy this thing and paste here. Now I want to print this value guy, what, int y equal to 20, int y equal to 20. Guy, tell me. So guys, see, this is instance variable, right? So guys, instance variable, okay, always deal with objects. Okay, this thing you should keep in mind. So whenever if you're going to call instance variable, right, if you want to print the instance variable, so the instance variable deals with object. If instance variable deals with object, that means definitely you need to create the object. Yes or no? You need to create the object of that respective class. So that our respective class is types of Java variable, right? So guys, you need to create here what, one object, right? So guys, yes, obviously you need to create one object. So guys, type of Java variable ref equals to new, right, types of Java variable. Yes or no? So guys, if you want to call, you want to print the instance variable, definitely you need to what, create the object of respective class. So where this instance variable is available, right? So this instance variable is available in our types of Java variable class. That's why guys, you need to first create the object of this respective class. So I have created here. So I see if already you created the object of the respective class where instance variable is there. So guys, you can call with your reference, right? So guys, see, you can call with the reference, get it? So guys, you know very well it. So guys, ref dot ref dot. So guys, what the instance variable name get y, so we can get call ref dot y. So it will print our instance variable value, yes or no? If you want to call the instance variable, then we need to create the object and you need to call with the reference of this object, right? Good. So guys, why I have created the object? Because instance variable deals with the object only, right? Second thing, guys, now if you want to print the static variable, right? Static in z equal to 30. So guys, see, if you want to print a static variable, or if you want to call the static variable, guys, a static variable deals with class name. Okay, just keep in mind two things different. So instance variable deals with object and a static variable deals with class. Yes or no? A static variable deals with class. So if a static variable you want to call, you want to print the value of a static variable, so directly you can call with the class name. Yes or no, guys? I have understood, right? You can call with the help of class name. Okay. So first this thing you need to what? Copy paste, right? Because this is system. It is sysauth, right? Inside that get. So how are you going to call? So your class name is what? This one, right? So you can put get sys types of variable dot, right, our the value of z, because we can call a static variable with the help of our class name. Yes or no? Great, guys. So guys, this is our way to call the respective variable in our Java. If you want to call local variable, directly you can print, because this is a part of method. Correct, guys? And guys, second, if you want to print the instance variable, so guys, you need to what? Create the object of the respective class where this instance variable is available. That's why guys, I have created types of Java variable class object, right? Then we have called ref.y. And get third thing, if you want to call the static variable, right, then a static variable deals with class level, right? So you need to call with the class name. That's why you should not create any object for that. Directly you can call with the help of class name. So same thing I have done, line number 19. So types of Java variable is our class name, where in this class this static variable is available. That's why guys, types of Java variable dot z, if you can write, so you can print the result. So guys, we can see, we run the application and see the result, it's coming expected or not, because the value should become guys 10, 20, 30. 10 is the local variable and 20 is the instance variable and z is the static variable, guys. Okay, so guys, we'll run the application, we'll see result, it's coming expected or not. Run as Java application. Correct, guys? Guys, see 10, 20, 30. Also guys, you can write here what? For understanding purpose, what? Local variable value, right? Correct. And guys, this place we can write what? Instance variable value, right? Guys, all understanding purpose only. Nothing I'm writing big deal here. All our understanding purpose only. Okay. And guys, this third one, what? A static variable value. So this is a static variable value. Good. So guys, now if you run the application, we'll see the result. correct? Yes. So you can distinguish with all the variable type, right? See here, local variable value 10, instance variable value 20, static variable value 30. So guys, what we understood, so how many types of Java variable we have, right? And how we can what initialize corresponding, how we can call this respective three variable, guys. So guys, this is one program I have explained here. So guys, one more program I will explain here. So that program, guys, see. So what is next program, guys? So now I am going to write one more program where we will see for a static variable it generates single copy. What, guys? In the program, in the code, for a static variable it generates single copy, or local variable it will create multiple copy, guys. Why, guys? You should know this thing, right? Why this thing, guys? For a static variable it generates single copy, but for local variable it will create multiple copy. So guys, we will see difference here, a static and local. Okay, so I will explain here a static versus what local variable. Yes or no, guys? Because a static variable what generates single copy and single memory, but for instance variable or local variable what multiple copy, right? So guys, this difference I will show you with the code. So in a program, when you are going to execute, so a static variable what will same, okay, but local variable it will change, guys. So how this program I will write, then you will come to know, okay, then your understanding will be more enhanced. So guys, let's start for second. So for seeing a static variable it's create a single copy, but for local variable it will create multiple copy. So how? So this thing I will explain, guys. Just concentrate here. Class, compare static with local method. It is, okay, please be focused. So what I'm going to explain here. So if you are going to create any static variable, if you are going to create any local variable, so what is the exactly difference? Okay, so a static variable create guy only one time. It will create what you're going to initialize the value for a static variable. It will load only once class is loaded. But local variable call multiple time there. Local, whatever the you assign or initialize the local variable, it will call every time there. When you call, so their value will be what created and destroyed. So how it will get? So guys, see, for the purpose I will create one static variable first, right? So guys, see, I have created one static variable int equal to y, but this variable, sorry, int x equal to guy 10, but this variable will call static only when if you add a static keyword before that. Now it will become a static variable, correct? Now it will become a static variable. Why? Because you added a static keyword before that variable. Got it, right? Now, go, guys. Now I will create one more method. So local variable means what? The variable if you are going to declare inside the method. Yes or no? So guys, for that purpose, I am creating one void display method. Okay, void display. Okay. 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 I have created one display method. Inside that display method, I am going to create one instance. So in local variable, in this display method, I am going to create one local variable. That local variable into y equals to 10 only. Okay, y equal to 10 only. I have created one static variable and I have created one local variable. Correct, as of now. So guys, see, if I am going to print this local variable, okay, so I need to write sys out, and guys, if I want to print this x value and y value, correct, so I can write guys here x, then then I can write a concatenation concat, right? Then guys, I need to print the y value as well. Okay, y value as well. Okay, so guys, and we can see guys, if I am going to increment this x value and y value, so what it will print. So guys, I will take one what pre-increment x and what pre-increment y. Okay, this thing I have mentioned here. Okay, good. Okay guys, so guys, see, so how we are going to call this y value and x value guys. So guys, first we how we are going to call this display method, right? How are we going to call the display method, right? So we need to create object of the respective class. So we have got this class, right? Yes or no? We have this class. So guys, we can create first object. Yes or no? I am creating object here first. Right? After creating a object, creating the object, we can call guys our display method. Yes or no? Right? Ref dot display. There, no? Yes. So guys, we call ref dot display method. Okay. But guys, I want to intentionally we want call two times guys. This method I want intentionally call two times. So guys, same thing I can here print here, right? So guys, it will call two times. Yes or no? Right guys. So guys, see what should be the result. What should be the result? Because you can see here x is a what? A static variable, right? X is a static variable. Y is a local variable. So what I have told guys? A static variable will load only once class is loaded. But this display method, under display method, we have one local variable, right? So y. So and so whenever if you call the display method, okay, so it will create multiple memory, right? You get multiple memory. Yes or no? Okay, yes or no? Yes, right? So I see once I will run the application, then will come to know. Right? See guys, I'm running the application in front of you. They will see the result. See guys, the difference is what I want to show you. See guys, first time when I call ref.display, right? So guys, you can see it is printing x is at 10, y is at 10. You can see guys this line. So ref.display, it is calling first time, right? So what is the value of a static variable? Guys, tell me. X is a 10, y is a 10. Okay? But after doing increment, guys, after doing increment, what is the x value, guys? 11. Yes or no? What is the x value, guys? 11. But you can see what is the value of y, guys? It's 10 only. Why? Because first time it assigned 10 10, right? When increment the value of x, it increased 10. Yes or no? It increased 10 to 11. but next time, okay, its value remains what? Same. Okay, one more time I will one more time I will run the application, they will come to know. See guys, same thing or not? Because first time it is printing x is 10, y is 10, correct? Then it increment guys. If x is increment by 1, so 11. But guys, you can see the display method, inside display method we have one local variable, so guys it remains 10. Yes or no? I hope you understood. So guys, that is the way. That is the way you can check a static variable guy. It is single copy, but local variable is giving different copy. Correct guy? So guys, that's it from this video guy. So what I explained, what is variable, what is types of variable, and what all those variable we can use in our program. So guys, that's it from this video. If you like this channel guys or video, please what, like button, share and subscribe. Yes or no guys? So guys, if you like the video, please guys like, share, subscribe guys. So I will bring such a video but frequently for you. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll meet in next video very soon.